Welcome to Best Choice. The best laundry detergent is probably one of the most essential items in any household, and when it comes to choosing a natural and organic option, the market can seem overwhelming with countless brands claiming to be the purest and most effective. Today, we're diving deep into the world of eco-friendly cleaning to help you navigate the choices and find a detergent that not only gets your clothes sparkling clean but also aligns with your values for a healthier home and planet, ensuring you make an informed decision for your family's well-being and the environment's future. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with Earth Breeze. These innovative detergent sheets offer a powerful clean without the mess of traditional liquids. Enjoy a refreshing scent with every wash. Each pack provides 60 loads, ensuring you have plenty of detergent for your family's needs. Go green with our eco-friendly, liquidless formula. It's a sustainable choice that reduces plastic waste and is gentle on the planet. Perfect for life on the go. Their compact, lightweight design makes them incredibly travel-friendly, fitting easily into any bag. Don't let tough stains and odors win. These sheets are formulated to powerfully lift dirt and neutralize smells, leaving clothes fresh and clean. Experience a clean that's also kind. Our detergent sheets are gentle on your skin, making them suitable for the whole family. What we like? This option offers an eco-friendly, liquidless format that is incredibly travel-friendly. It effectively tackles tough stains and odors. If you are looking for a convenient and sustainable way to do laundry on the go, this is a great choice. What people say. It is a great product that cleans well. The detergent is effective and leaves clothes smelling fresh. I love that it is made with natural and organic ingredients. Number 4. Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Introducing Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets. Experience a powerful clean with a fresh scent, perfect for any situation. These sheets are hypoallergenic and gentle on your skin. Yet, they deliver a powerful clean, tackling tough stains with ease. Say goodbye to plastic jugs and messy liquids. Our non-plastic sheets offer a clean and convenient laundry solution. Ideal for home, dorms, travel, camping, and even hand washing. These sheets make laundry simple wherever you are. Enjoy a truly clean wash with no waste. Each sheet dissolves completely, leaving behind nothing but fresh, clean clothes. Discover the innovative way to do laundry. Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets provide a superior clean with ultimate convenience. What we like? Get a generous 160 count of these hypoallergenic sheets, designed for a no-waste laundry experience. They are perfect for home, dorms, travel, camping, and even hand washing. If you prioritize a hypoallergenic product with a focus on minimizing waste and enjoy a high count for value, this is the one for you. What people say. The detergent is effective in cleaning clothes, removing stains, and leaving them fresh. It is made with natural and organic ingredients, making it a safe choice for sensitive skin. The detergent is biodegradable and environmentally friendly, which is a great feature for eco-conscious consumers. Number 3. Sudstainables Laundry Detergent Sheets, Fresh Linen. Tired of tough stains? Our laundry sheets offer a powerful solution to fight even the most stubborn marks. Experience a new level of clean with every wash. Enjoy the refreshing scent of fresh linen with every load. It leaves your clothes smelling wonderfully clean and revitalized. Get ready for a burst of freshness. Designed for convenience, these sheets work perfectly in both heat and standard washing machines. No more measuring or messy liquids. Just toss one in and let it work its magic. With 200 loads in each package, you'll have plenty of detergent for months to come. This means fewer trips to the store and more time for what matters. Make a sustainable choice for your laundry routine. Our detergent sheets are an eco-conscious alternative to traditional detergents. Clean your clothes while caring for the planet. What we like? This product boasts an impressive 200 loads with powerful stain-fighting capabilities and a refreshing fresh linen scent. It works well in both heat and standard washers. If you need a high-capacity detergent that effectively combats stains and prefer a classic clean scent, this is an excellent option. What people say. This detergent is made with natural and organic ingredients, making it a healthier choice for your family and the environment. It effectively removes tough stains and leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean without harsh chemicals. The detergent is gentle on sensitive skin and has been found to be hypoallergenic, reducing the risk of irritation or allergic reactions. Number 2. Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent Liquid. Introducing a revolutionary laundry detergent powered by nature. Its concentrated, plant-based formula tackles tough stains effectively. This detergent is safe for your loved ones, including children and pets. You can trust it to be gentle on sensitive skin. Make a conscious choice for the planet with this eco-friendly detergent. It's designed to be kind to the environment. Experience the purity of a detergent free from artificial colors and preservatives. It's simply clean, naturally. Get up to 300 loads of exceptional cleaning power from a single bottle. This concentrated formula offers incredible value. Enjoy brilliantly clean clothes with every wash. It's the natural way to care for your family's laundry needs. What we like. This concentrated liquid detergent is plant-based and free from artificial colors or preservatives, making it safe for kids and pets. It provides 300 loads of eco-friendly cleaning. If you have a household with children or pets and are looking for a gentle yet effective plant-based liquid detergent, this is a top contender. What people say. It is a great detergent that leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean. This detergent is effective at removing tough stains, even on delicate fabrics. The natural organic ingredients make it a safe choice for sensitive skin and the environment. Number 1. Grab Green 3-in-1 Laundry Detergent Pods. Introducing Grab Green's 3-in-1 Laundry Detergent Pods. Experience a powerful clean that's gentle on your fabrics and the environment. Our formula is crafted with plant and mineral-based ingredients. It's designed to be tough on stains while being kind to your clothes. Harnessing the power of enzymes, these pods effectively break down and lift even stubborn stains. Your laundry will come out brighter and cleaner. Enjoy the calming and delightful scent of lavender and vanilla with every wash. It leaves your clothes smelling wonderfully fresh. Each pod offers a pre-measured dose for ultimate convenience and consistent results. Simply toss one in and let it work its magic. Beyond just cleaning, these pods act as a laundry brightener, restoring the vibrancy of your clothes. Get ready for laundry that looks and feels its best. What we like. Experience the convenience of 3-in-1 pods that are enzyme-powered for effective cleaning and act as a laundry brightener. These pods tackle stains and leave your laundry smelling of lavender and vanilla. If you prefer a pre-measured, all-in-one solution that brightens clothes and offers a pleasant scent, these pods are ideal. What people say. This laundry detergent is made with natural and organic ingredients. It is effective at cleaning clothes and removing stains. The detergent is gentle on fabrics and does not cause irritation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.